Oh, wow, such a fancy restaurant. Exactly why are we here tonight, Russell?
Oh, Becker is making us some very posh dinner.
Hello, my dear friends. We are making luxury mushroom bisque. Today, in Becker's Easy Eats. Restaurant-style mushroom bisque is quick and easy. Here are the ingredients. What makes our mushroom bisque so special is that we are using 3 different kinds of mushroom. First, fresh cremini mushrooms, also called mini bella or brown button mushrooms. We are also using dried shiitake mushroom and dried chanterelle mushroom. Do not worry if you cannot get some of them. You can use any mushrooms you have. For the dried mushrooms, we need to soak them in hot water to rehydrate. Make sure to save the soaking liquid for later use. And now for the big question. Fresh mushrooms should never be washed and only wiped clean. Is it correct? Of course not, because luxury mushroom bisque should not contain dirt and soil from fresh mushroom. Slice the cremini mushrooms after washing and destalking. Squeeze dry and slice the shiitake mushrooms as well. Prepare the onion by chopping into small pieces.
Hello, Russell here. Remember to give that like button a big bear hug. Drop a comment. Share this video with your friends and subscribe for more fuzzy contents. And don't forget to boop that bell so you don't miss a single snuggle.
In a large stock pot, heat up olive oil and a knob of butter. Sauté the cremini mushrooms until brown. Reserve some for later use. Dip in the shiitake and chanterelle mushroom. Stir thoroughly. When almost dry, add the onion and continue cooking until brown. Pour in chicken stock and the soaking liquid from the dried mushrooms. Dip in the dried thyme. Add salt and pepper to taste. With a stick blender, puree the soup until very smooth. Add in the sautéed mushroom we reserved earlier. Pour in the cooking cream and stir to combine thoroughly. For added luxury flavor and garnish, you can drizzle a little bit of truffle oil on top. Add a bit of cream and dot with a few leaves of parsley for color. So there you have it. Luxury mushroom bisque you can make at home.
Bon appetit?
Bon appetit.
Thank you very much for watching. Join me next week for another episode of Becker's Easy Eats. Please support this plushy channel by buying me a coffee.